This is a story about a conversation that takes place every day between farmers and their land. They talk about everything, from the heat of the sun, the nutrients in the soil, the rain, to harvesting the energy from all that grows here. This ground may look like simple grass, but it's much more. It's alive with billions of microorganisms. This soil provides vital nutrients for the cows and sheep who graze here. When cows graze, they stimulate grass to regrow and leave behind urine and manure as natural fertilizers for the plants, especially nitrogen. The process maintains nutritious feed and creates a diverse living ecosystem as a good example of regenerative farming. We manage this land using natural fertilizers and rotational grazing for livestock production. Our animals graze in small sections of pasture for a short period, then are moved to fresh grass. That pasture rests, regenerates, and extends deep roots before it's grazed again. Land that isn't grazed is harvested for hay to feed the animals through Vermont's long winters. Nurtured season after season, the soil thrives, generating strong roots that store carbon. We ensure the continued health and fertility of these fields by active land management and carefully recycling nutrients from our cows. The plants and soil below the surface form a sponge to control runoff and erosion, helping to protect our streams and lakes. This sponge also helps to absorb the impact of intense rainfalls that are increasing due to climate change. Ecosystems of diverse cool season plants prosper here. Brome and timothy, orchard grass, clover, trefoil, which all support breeding populations of grassland birds like bobolinks and savanna sparrows. We adjust our mowing, cutting early in the season or much later to support the nesting cycles of the birds. Every day we pay attention to the richness of this soil, the diversity of plants and animals, and the health of our cows. This directly impacts the quality of the end product, milk, meat, and ultimately cheddar cheese we sell around the country. Increasingly, global warming is now also a part of the farmer's daily conversation. We believe that in many parts of the world, grass-based farming is key to a healthy food system and living environment. As custodians of this land, there are some pressing questions we are asking today. Can our pastures store even more carbon if we add biochar? Can we do more with silvopasture, where the animals graze successfully among more trees to increase carbon storage? Can we augment the diet of our cows with seaweed or biochar? And can we better manage liquid manure to minimize climate warming gas emissions from our animals? To produce better food for our animals, and ultimately more nutritious food to feed our community, the answers all start in the soil.